Hello! Good morning guys! It's our last day today in Dana. Yung room tour ko, medyo gabi yun. Pero ito, with the things na paalis na kami. Anyway, the most important is kung maganda ba talaga yung room. Hi guys, this is Jessie Katz. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. 902. Tadan! Pag-open. Ayan. Ito ang cabinet. Uy, may payong dito. Yes, I have long payong.
Okay lang, ilan?
Isa.
Dali lang, dali.
Kasi magbabayad tayo.
Maganda ba?
Alin? Ito po ang aming banyo. Ta-na-na-na-na. Ayan po. Tapos mayroong ganyan. Ito na small, pero tapos mayroon din naman pa bath gel. Ayan. Tapos AC. Ito yung aming bed. 2 single bed. Ayan. May pa ganyan.
Sana pagpunta natin sa ilang hindi na.
Meanwhile, a few moments later. The next day.
Morning guys! Today is our last day in Dana. And yung pinakita kong room tour, night view yon. So ito yung umaga na, kaya lang, what you call this, medyo magulo na siya. Pero ito, I will show it to you very fast. Quick room tour, daytime. Okay, so we'll have a mirror over there. They have this amenities, welcome, and there's a water bottle also included over there. See? It's written there. Welcome, Jessica Tully family. Ayan, yan, 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 yan. O, diba? Read it. So, meron din silang water kettle. Tapos, ayan, with cups na. Ito ay ang kanilang what do you call this? Ref. Pero, of course, I think these are all chargeable. If you get. And then, ito ang aming view, guys. For those who are wondering, yan ang aming view. Diba? That's our view. Wala kaming balcony kasi parang glass siya, guys. O, diba? Walang balcony, you don't need. O, diba? Kasi full mirror siya. Tapos, ayun, nakikita nyo over there, that is the Danang Beach. So, walking distance from our side, siguro mga about 5 minutes walk. Tapos, may mga madadaanan kayong mini-mart on the right side. So, meron naman silang available for grocery. That's Bunny over there. We wanted to go there. Until now, we haven't. Kasi finish namin yung itinerary namin. But for today, I will show you. Kasi nakalagay doon bakery and dessert cafe. It looks yummy and decent. O, diba? Ayan ang whole Danang. And their mountains. Ganda siya guys. Malinis and all. Tapos, nandito kasi yung ano ni Jaker. Meron dyan isang sofa. Ayan, sofa. Yan. Tapos, may TV. Ayan. Ito yung aming bed. Ayan, pasensya na sa kalat. Ayan. Single bed. Double single bed. Tama ba? Tapos, may cabinet sila. Meron din umbrella inside the cabinet. Ayan. Tapos, may hair dryer dyan. Ayan, hair dryer. May vault din. Ayan guys, yan. Itong sides lang na to ang nabubuksan. And then, of course, may peephole. Ang hinahanap ko yung emergency exit. I don't think they have. Ayan. Just don't look over here. Because this is a trick that Mama told us to do para malamig ang inyong ano. Sige na nga. Ayan. Put any card daw. It's the same effect. Thank you, Mama, for the tip 101. Pero syempre, when you're leaving, don't leave it over there. I mean, when magpapalinis kayo. Ayan. So, ayan ang room namin technically. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Diba? Tapos, of course, dito sa side na to, may side table dyan. Actually, kila Mama, merong parang oil, incense oil na nakalagay doon. Sa amin, wala. And ayan yung port. So, ayan guys, pag pupunta kayo ng yan ang kailangan yung outlet. And that's it. That's our room tour. Diba? Nagustuhan nyo ba yung room? Diba? Pwede na. Pwede na for the budget. And yung mga tao is mababait sila. Diba? Tsaka safe na safe. Kahit all girls kayo, safe na safe kayo mag-walk in the street in the night. Walang hold up, walang snatcher. Yun lang. Later!
This is the outside view of the hotel, guys. One straight line. They have also a small swimming pool, but we did not swim because we didn't have chance. We prefer the beach. Also, the staff are very friendly, especially the one on the breakfast area. Yun lang. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to follow me in all my social media. It's all Jessie Cats.
Baby, it's so